My name is Chaitanya Pandey, student of B.Ed second semester. Today I am here to give my presentation on one of the great mathematician, Bhaskara II. Bhaskara II was born in 1114 AD at Bijapur, Karnataka. His father name is Maheshwara, who is an astronomer. Bhaskara II was also known as Bhaskaracharya, which means Bhaskara the teacher. He was an Indian mathematician and astronomer. His work represent significant contribution to mathematics in 12th century. His main work is Siddhant Shiromani, which is divided into 4 volumes. Works of Bhaskara II. He was the first mathematician to say that a number when divided by 0 becomes infinity. He gave the concept of instantaneous motion. The proof of finding the volume of spherical bodies are also found in his book. Some trigonometry formula and theorems are also found in his book Goladhya. Bhaskaracharya was also known as founder of differential mathematics. As we all know that Newton discovered the gravitational force of Earth, but very few of us know that Bhaskaracharya revealed this about 550 years before. He was a president of observatory at Ujjain. He is the greatest mathematician of medieval India. About Siddhant Shiromani. Siddhant Shiromani was divided into 4 volumes, which are Lilavati, Bijganita, Goladhya, Grahganita. About Lilavati. It is the first volume of the book. It consists of 277 verses. He named the book Lilavati after his daughter to console her. It deals with arithmetic. The contents of Lilavati are properties of 0, use of negative numbers, estimation of pi, problem involving interest, arithmetic term, method of multiplication and squaring. Bijganita. It is the second volume of the book, consists of 213 verses. Bijganita deals with algebra. Some of these contents are positive and negative numbers, determination of unknown quantities, quadratic equation, indeterminate quadratic equation. Grahganita. It is the third volume of the book, consists of 451 verses. It deals with mathematics of planet. In this, he showed that when planet is at its farthest from sun or closest equation of center vanished. He also calculate the revolution of Earth, which is 365.258 days. Goladhya. The fourth and the last volume of his book, Siddhant Shiromani, is Goladhya. It consists of 900 verses. It deals with trigonometry. In this book, he gives proof of some trigonometric formulas, such as sin A plus B, which is equal to sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Sin A minus B, which is equals to sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Some trigonometric angles such as sin 18 degree, which is equal to under root 5 minus 1 upon 4. Cos 36 degree, which is equals to under root 5 plus 1 upon 4. Legacy of Bhaskaracharya. Though he contributed too much in the field of mathematics and astronomy, there are several colleges and institutes across India named after his name Bhaskaracharya. ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization, also gives tribute to the great mathematician and astronomer by launching Bhaskara II satellite on 20th November 1981. Contributing too much in the field of mathematics, this great mathematician died on 1185 AD at Ujjain. That's all. Thank you.